In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable sound notification in Mozilla Thunderbird. By the end, you'll have audible alerts for new messages so you don't miss anything important while you're working in other apps. Start by opening Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. Once it's up, look to the top right corner for the three horizontal lines. That's the application menu. Click it to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. Depending on your operating system and Thunderbird version, this might be labeled Preferences, but it takes you to the same place where you can control how Thunderbird behaves. Inside Settings, make sure you're on the General section. If you don't see it at first, check the left-hand sidebar or the top tabs and select General. This is where Thunderbird groups everyday options like scrolling, language, and, most importantly for us, notifications. Scroll through General until you find the section labeled Incoming Mails. This area controls what Thunderbird does when a new message arrives. Look for the option that says Play a Sound. To enable audible notifications, make sure this option is checked. When this box is selected, Thunderbird will play a sound as soon as new mail comes in, giving you a quick audio cue without needing to constantly watch your inbox. If you want a bit more control, many versions of Thunderbird let you choose whether to use the default system sound or a custom sound file. Picking a short, distinctive tone can help you immediately recognize that you've received mail. If you do choose a custom sound, keep the file in a stable location on your computer so Thunderbird can always find it. A couple of quick tips to ensure everything works smoothly. First, verify your computer's volume isn't muted and is set to a comfortable level. Also check any focus or do not disturb modes on your system, since those can silence app sounds. On some systems, you may need to confirm that Thunderbird is allowed to play sounds in system settings. If you don't hear anything right away, send yourself a test email or wait for a new message to arrive. The sound will only play when new mail is detected. That's all there is to it. Open Thunderbird, go to the menu, head into Settings, select General, find Incoming Mails, and make sure Play a Sound is turned on. Your changes are saved automatically, and you can return here anytime to adjust the sound or turn it off if you prefer quiet. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying on top of your inbox with audible alerts.